We have our BAC chairperson, Engineer Caroline M. Artesito. Our member for all types, provisional member, Annalyn C. Gregorio. Provisional member for construction projects, Engineer Antonio E. Peñaclor. Our DWG from PTS, Engineer Lani Agbayani. Also, Engineer Jessa P. Agang and Ivan Lasso. Engineer Joel Perla. And for our head back secretariat, we have Engineer Teresita F. Marquez. From the representative of different construction firms, we have Booz Asjali from Sherkat Construction, Sheila Alviar from Teddy Construction, Raquel Rivero from Benjamin Construction, Rowena Sakdalan from Teddy Construction, Malu Racho from Untech Builders Corporation, and Jamaica Desiderio from HHH Developer. Madam Chairperson, you're now involved.
Thank you, Ms. Mahaira, for handling the roll call. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the preview conference of these projects. Name for project construction of two-story, 6-classroom school building at Umaga National High School, Zamboanga City. Contract ID 24JA0185. Scope of work, construction of school building. Approved budget for the contract 19 million, and the contract duration is 180 calendar days. 19,900,000. Next project is the operating of Zone 2, Sapa Ongkol, Tictapol, Ipimar, Barangay Tictapi, Zamboanga City. Contract ID number 24JA0136. Scope of works, including of Ipimar. Approved budget for the contract is 9,950,000. Contract duration is 146 calendar days. Next project is completing of Barangay Limaong, Epimar Phase 4, Barangay Limaong, Zamboanga City. Contract ID 24JA0137. Scope of works, including of Epimar. Approved budget for the contract is 19,900,000. Contract duration is 139 calendar days. The opening of bids for this project will be on September 5, 2004. And the last project is the Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, access roads, bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of concrete road at Mindanao Central Sanitary Barangay Pasagulong, Zamboanga City. Contract ID number is 24JA138. Works completing of Ipimar. Approved budget of the contract for the contract is 98,696,020.25. Contract duration is 333 calendar days. The opening of bids for this project is on September 10th, 2024. Before we go over the bidding documents, I'd like to remind you of the documents that bidders need to submit. Eligibility documents, Class A. Balik tayo para nandun sa kuwan. Registration certificate from Securities and Exchange Commission, Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship. contracts awarded but not yet started. Any. Audited financial statements showing, among others, the prospective total and current assets and liabilities. Stamp received by the DIR. Dapat nandito nandun yun, stamp received by DIR. Mula yun na. Or it's duly accredited and authorized institutions in the preceding calendar year which did not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission. So for the class B, pag-joint venture lang. Wala ka siguro. May joint venture ba for this project? Wala. For our technical proposal, bid security in the required form, amount, and validity period. List of contractors' personnel will be assigned to the contract bid with their complete qualification and experience data. List of contractors' major equipment units is our own list or under purchase agreements, supported by certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor vendor for the duration of the project. These equipment units must meet the minimum equipment requirements for the contract set in the BDS. Omnibus source statement by the respective bidder or its duly authorized representative in the form prescribed by the GPPD. Technical yun. For the financial proposal, bid prices which shall include the detailed engineering cost in the prescribed form, detailed estimates including a summary sheet indicating the unit prices of the construction materials, labor rates, equipment rentals used in the coming up with the bid. Cash flow by quarter. So we have to use the form DPWS IFR 18. So proceeding to the next agenda, we'd like to invite Engineer discuss first. We will discuss first the construction of 2-story, 6-classroom school building. What will be going to request you to present the details of the project. So everybody, every prospective leaders have the opportunity to ask questions. Have you purchased already the plan? So, discuss mo natin ito lahat. Yung mga sino sa building?
Sa lupa daw is RJL.
Na-purchase na rin.
Bago na yan.
Wala mo lang bago.
Kasi nag-PDF naman yata sa atin. Ngayon yata sa atin lahat, pati financial statements.
Hindi, nag-remind lang ako na yun ang mga necessary documents na included sa BDD. BDD papers nila.
So yata sa mga. Kasi PLG din tayo malatas natin.
Hindi lang purgit sa attach mo. Yung mga ongoing projects, hindi na isabit. Nandun na yun.
Wala yun siya natin.
Steps lang.
Okay
Okay
na
na yun.
yun.
Okay na
Sinasagot
yun.
naman namin yun.
Hindi, we're just reminding, kasi every pre-bid dapat isabi yun para ma-remind kayo, para whenever mga wala doon sa kuwan ninyo, nandoon talaga, na-mention namin during the pre-bid conference. At checklist, i-follow lang yung checklist, nag-remind lang kami. Para
Wala pa akong checklist. Yun pa rin.
Hmm.
Okay naman. Kasi wala kasi hindi tayo magalas ng SLCC pati ulit dati. Kasi nandun naman sa online.
Ito na lang sa ano, yung technical proposal kasi for may eligibility mo sila.
Pero wala lang yung mga detail talaga namin. Kasi pero ito sa church, nandun na i-open.
Meron yun.
Mga minors permit.
Wala na.
Nandun na yun sa outlet.
I mean, yung sa pillars na pero party siya lang sa documents, MRP.
So for this building, for this project, we have items, facilities for engineer, part one. So that is all ito, yung furniture, fixtures, and equipment. Nandito ha? Dito sa ano ito. Sa facilities for engineers, may plastic table tayo na 1 by 2. Monoblock chairs, whiteboard with eraser. Plastic pail, and plastic cup. Hindi na siguro discuss. Hindi mo
Alam naman.
So next. Other requirements. So sa part 3, may civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works. May earthworks. Ilan po? Anong kailangan nila gawin? For standards,
Hazard, earthwork, sir, bali, gamit natin for embankment from bawat kasi ngayon ayos lang natin bali
sa financial pa, sulat pa rin namin yung BFQ, yung quantity, o pwede lang computerize. Kasi sulat namin, yan kami magkamali lang. Sa computer, fix talaga,
O mas okay yung 100 yan siguro?
ang dito na lang kami. Hindi lang. Kasi mostly makamali sa ano naman, ang latest kasi sa computer, pang-fix talaga siya kasi wala naman yung document, di ba? Operation ng computer.
Dapat sa inyo na yun.
Pero okay lang sa inyo, ma'am.
Isubmit ninyo.
Pero okay lang dito mga kaibigan.
Oo, pwede. Basta correct lang.
Correct lang ang material. Hindi lang kami.
Figures.
Okay naman.
Para in terms of amount, you just round it out into two decimal places para hindi marami siya. Dapat either you can use computer or basta detailed siya and then round it out into decimal places para dali siya 0-0 ang difference.
Okay lang.
So we will proceed to the second project. Engineer Newell, Berda. Tapak tungkol, dapol.
Similarly sa ibang project po, pwede tayo sa visual setting at office. Yung mga items na nasa loob ng plan, page, sheet, and then construction office na tayo. Permits and events for removal of trees, included yung removal of permits included in and replacement 100 seedlings per 1 tree within the removal of trees. And then for earthworks, removal of trees, surplus farm excavation, then for time remodel, since everyone sounds embankments, both from Louis and from Common Barrow, and subject preparation. This is an MMR, so meron tayo for stabilize sa base course, item to suites. Information po dyan is kailangan for license. Accredited supplier for shoulder. Yung shoulder po natin is made from the base course na po and 200 and for this. Meron po siyang wayforce, stay-wars, wayforty, and structural company for box culverts, and the concretes, and the last for Mexico. Low post bang house na po siya, so around 75K. And sa provision po, isa sa 4,000 lang po siya, including for wooden office table, monoblock, plastic plate, plastic bottle, plastic drum, ayun po, included po sa 800.
In addition, sa item ng mobilization, the amount is should not be exceed direct civil works yung amount. So, 1%.
Kaya pwede,
1% of the
what
reports.
percent?
Should not exceed.
Kasi based on past experience, there are contractors who are submitting estimates more than the partner order. So, ngayon, reminder, do not exceed 1% of the direct cost. Nasa doon na kayo, less than. Halimbawa, kung ang direct cost is 1 million, so 1% of that is your mobilization. Sometimes, yung isip sa contractor ay mga office na number, may sumusobra. So, at least, naalala yung medyo na huwag susobra. Hanggang maximum of 1% of direct cost. Or less than.
So kung more sila, kaya basis na DQ sila. Ground for DQ, basta more than.
So in case there is mga queries, please feel free to ask us para at least magabayan kayo, makikita kayo ng plan. Don't be, huwag mo umiyak. So back sa amin, pwede kayo magtanong. If you have doubts, queries,
So wala na question. Let's proceed to next project. Mamili ko Barangay Limaon. Phase 4, Barangay Limaon sa Moga City. Right.
Similar lang po from Istanbul and Asia. Difference is very much differently or evaluating the developers and more than 135 point estimate and many more people who are more social for our document. So, and meron po like cross-train for meron po tayong police stations for October 19 outside Cagayan de Area. And around
so that exists, which is there.
meron po siya for sa cross-train niya. So,
Depende sa housing po, na kung sino po kayo, kung housing mo lang po. May issue po.
yes, shoulder pero back service po. At fitness po natin sa city.
I think 300.
Yung surface course sa ano sa shoulder. So, ang makapagbigay talaga sa inyo ng ano yung materials, yung specification ng materials. So, system plan. Hindi ko si engineer the task o materials engineer. So, sa kayo magano para at least yung ma-impress ng material, may ilagay yung tama. Kasi sometimes hindi niya nilalagay yung tama. Minsan ay 200.
Item sa side. Sa
So, please ano ha, para malaman, para pag ilagay mo yung item na surface course is item 300 ba? Surface course is different from item 200.
Kasi ganun 300, parang i-process pa yan. Ibalik, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I-process talaga yan.
Mahirap talaga yung check sa
Oh, sana hindi na yan ginawang 300. Hindi yan makuha
Kasi
nila.
hindi na nila ginagawa.
PCCB na
Kasi G1 yan,
Standard.
mga target hindi mo
So, the team will be the one to take care of that, no?
yan po ang
I don't believe this is their, ano?
Ano ba sir? Si Steve Slow. Yes. When the terrain is ano lang siya, ano siya, pwede na yung surface course, but mga steep slope, so page shoulders yan, para hindi siya mawas out.
And then, mas mahal yan.
Mas mahal yan sa kasi
Ayan,
300.
oh.
Ang unit cost niya is more than the unit cost of item 200.
The atom one shoulder is item 300. Parang hindi lang sa kami inspection, hindi talaga ako nakakita ng 300. So, dapat remind your thinking. Oh, dapat 300 talaga. Kasi mahal yan kaysa 2-1. 2-1. So, when we now proceed to the last project, basic infrastructure program, construction of concrete road at Mindanao Central Sanitarium, Kasugulong, Zamboanga City. Engineer Joel?
In this project, we have a provision for certificate rental basis dito sa ako namin. Pero, as internal agreement, yung service natin is a new, brand new, yung ganun namin. At yung agree na naman, then over na lang sa pagtasok ng project.
Dapat magamit na siya, gamitin mo na siya sa rental basis. Dapat reminder kasi as notice, sometimes these are the vehicles, hindi siya na-deliver prior sa execution project. Minsan, under completion, so rental basis, magagamit namin sa inyong gumamit. So, procure it, if ang agreement is to procure service, so procure it early. Tingnan na lang kung anong specification, comply na lang siya. Para magamit.
Dapat kasi gagamitin yan sa project.
Intended for the project, for the duration of the project.
Duration of the project.
Kasi sinabi ko na as aspiration para to meet amount nyo, para ma-assist ko na siya ma-avail, ma-purchase. Tapos, meron na additional na office of staff for assistant engineer. Yun na lang dinagdag ko.
Para makaprocure ng mga yung talaga namin.
Kasi yung project is malapit naman. So, possible, yung operation is maliit na talaga. Kasi malapit na siya sa mga panapit. Mas maganda na siya, mas malayo, possible, itong item ito, hindi namin i-issue. So, kasi sa mga projects na yung office namin, kaya nato yung item. Yung provision for rental, ang isa is operation, ang last provision for big office staff.
Pag isama ko na siya, makabili talaga ng bago. Ano yung sa 4x4, 4x2? 4x4, is malalaman mo.
And then, ang additional tayo is provision for laboratory testing equipment. C, namin mag-provide ang mga discounts yung mga sector Sino ba yan? Sino ang advance? Sino as yung certificate?
Oo, dapat before the implementation of the project, para magamit mo talaga sa construction.
Kung minsan pag hindi nagamit, nagkakatawa. Kung sino nagamit. Kung hindi nagamit ng sino nga sa
So, bus construction, so marami tayong involved. Construction service taking, billboard, safety and health program, staff management, kasi sa loob ito ng hospital compound. So, report natin tayo. Yung movies, sinag-exit 1%, civil airports. Then, airports, such as common, structure excavation,
Finishing works.
Construction and part and here na 36 and the 24. Mabilis ang itanakang sa schedule as indicated on the opponent. Infra comes that is of protection. So must be ladies for the head one first lady. Yes. Then sa portion, 10 natin. Specific lang na naka-connect ako na. Okay, mo sa parang 4 session education. 4 segment. And then, additional na sa plano, take the 4 days, tapos ito is 2 days. At yun, sa schedule, side 1 is 4 days. Side, remaining section is section 2 hanggang sa 5, 2 days na siya. So, meron tayong curtain matter na side 2. And lastly, reflectorized paper marking. Yun ang lahat ng board na
So any questions from prospective leaders? 3 copies. Kasi gamitin namin yan. So, sa ibang matters tayo ha. Yung tabing, I hope you will listen. Kailangan talaga ito ha, tabing and coordination. Mag-paging talaga tayo. At mag-tabing. Yung one ba? Maganda rin. Presentable. Para makakuha namin na easier ang evaluation natin. And itong certified true copy. All machine copies must be certified. Oh, with firma. As true copies. Para to? Certified true. Certified copies. And then ito pa, number 3. Signature in every page. Kailangan, maski naka-signature na kayo doon sa certified true copy, mag-initial pa rin kayo sa page. Yun. So, nagpasalamat talaga kami na marami nang nag-attend na Meron ba tong cash flow by quarter? Dapat DPWSI NFR-18 ang form. So, pwede kayo mag-ask doon sa planning kung ano pa mga questions. So, wala na bang question? Clarification? So, we require items